Hey legal rock stars, introducing video cloning for legal content creation. Educational marketing means creating lots of content posted regularly. But how will you find the time when juggling your caseload? What if we told you there's a revolutionary solution to make your life easier? Introducing AI-powered cloning technology. Imagine having your very own clone ready to impart legal wisdom on camera anytime, anywhere. No more hassles filming every session. With this cutting-edge technology, you can create endless amounts of educational content without filming. Your expertise will captivate potential clients on all platforms. Ready to dive into the future of legal marketing? Book a consultation with us today. We'll help you harness the power of AI cloning and elevate your legal marketing game like never before. Reach out now by emailing Mary at GoMediaMarketing.com.